Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's good to see you all again. As always, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's just for entertainment purposes only. So let's be entertained. All right, well, the market has not closed yet, but my video was going to be along the same lines, whether I waited till close or I did it now just to see if my theory is correct. Check this out. I have a couple of things I want to show you guys and where I think we're going from here. So the last time, you can see where this candle opened at 7.98. It closed at 9.89, just shy of that $10 range. But notice the RSI. The RSI down here in the lower left of my screen, it's at 83.8. 84 on the RSI is just absolutely smoking. So in some of these plays, obviously the RSI is going to go hotter than some of the normal standard plays would. And as always, this is a super high risk play. Everybody knows what's on the table. Anything that's in this play that you have, obviously keep an eye on it because it could go against you at any time. But further along these lines, I'm just saying we should have expected this. And I'll pull it up on the 5-minute and show you why. So right here we had our cool down period, and you can see the RSI is just cooling off very nice right now. It's coming down. I do think, well, it's already tapped, but I was going to say I do think it's going to tap the 775 as support. If we look at it even on the 1 hour, it's come all the way back down to a nice level of 63, which would still probably be a little bit hot, but in this play I think we're gonna just be running hot until everybody's done doing what they want to do. So I expect the bounce. I think we're gonna see some nice strong movement. Honestly, like I said, this play in my opinion is just kind of getting started for a lot of people, and it has a lot of room to run now that that RSI has cooled off. So what I want to see is it going to kick in here in the last, what do we got, 20 minutes left? Are the buyers going to step back in and just run this thing? Or are we going to come down and get a little bit more solid candle action close to the 775? Use that as support and see some nice action in the after hours and pre-market. I think that's a very good possibility, just depending on what happens here. If this 775 holds, I do think it could be explosive going into after hours, pre-market, and tomorrow. I cannot be sure. This is just my hypothesis on what I'm seeing in regards to where we're sitting, and that pullback, in my opinion, was expected. What probably could have happened. Day traders, obviously, maybe some of the larger institutions got some of their money out. Again, momentum trade, so people could have made their position free at this point, and they're playing with the house's money so that their money's not on the line, because as we know, this could very well go to zero. So keep an eye on your account. If you see a chance to take a reasonable amount of money, nobody's gonna hate you for that. This is not a diamond hand play at the moment. I just want to be very honest and open with what I think is going on as momentum trading, day trading. We have a ton of volatility, obviously a lot of interest. People like that. What is our volume so far on the day? It's got to be high. Yep, 170 million again so far. So the volume's there. The RSI set up. I think it could kick into afterburner mode as soon as the market closes, if we don't see some action before then. So as always, if you don't mind, drop a like, leave a comment, or subscribe to the channel if you want to be here for all of the updates. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, stay golden and may your accounts stay green.